This is Sunday, December 15th, 2024. The current time is 5:52 in the p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I can go over what all happened with gold real quickly. I can't remember if I made a video or not Thursday evening. That's all material. But what I'm hacked off, which I do this most evenings. Sometimes I just get tired of doing this. But anyway, I'll give you the gist of what all happened. The 100% low or 0% low, depending on how you map off, did make perfect support. It tried for the 25% low or 75% low, depending on how you map it off. If that doesn't hold up many times, and at least like whatever the 0 or 100% level will try to make resistance again, or at least let those people that got into here get out again without having too much disruption in their money flow. Or to see that it is a short, then they can start shorting off. So get out of their long and start shorting. At least that's the way I view it, because I've seen it just so many dang times. The exact same thing happens. Which I'll do my math here directly. I got to eat some dinner real quick, and I'll do my math on what all happened Friday. It looks to me like many algorithms don't have a huge need to short, but we'll see. All right. That's about 2 minute intersecting, not perfectly lining up levels from the past couple of days. So to me, it's looking like it's going to stay kind of bearish. But again, like, right here's the bottom of average daily range. Many algorithms don't have any reason to short here unless there was other information that I don't know of, which algorithms, and anybody that programs algorithms are a whole lot better than I am. And they're all on the same page, and they all control the markets and dictate it way more so than I can kind of predict. But if that math rings true, which is, it's not looking awesome right now. 26, 40, 80 potential dip entry, which would be a whole lot better than right now. But right now would be technically a decent area to jump in. On a technical basis, that's all. And the exit place is at, not too far up at 26.89. So that's still, I don't know, $2,000 or so from there to there. So that ain't too awful terrible. If you could hold out for all that, but I don't see holding out for every bit of the move or most of the moves very bright either. You can wait for that to make resistance and start a short there. If it makes resistance, for all I know, it's going to run off what it did on Friday. But anyway, other things have to line up. You can't just go based off, some prediction. Now, I'm not going to go over anything else in the market or S&P 500 or anything, because I've not been paying attention to that in quite a while. It's been gold that I've actually been honed in on more recently. And I keep glancing at sweet crude oil futures and the 5-minute chart for the daggone on mobile. It still holds up. It's amazing, like, of how well that crap holds up. But anyway, right now it's at the statistical mean, basically the halfway point. It's never wise to take a decision here or trade here unless you do have like some sort of news event or catalyst that you believe in and have seen work in the past. I've never had any news event that I've seen that actually holds up or anything like that. So I'm very limited anyway at what all I can do. Not like usual. I mean, it's pretty much every single night it's like that. I mean, it's very rare, very, 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 very rare that it's at a statistical level that I would love to jump into it at. And this is like the Christmas season. You're going to have like, most of the stocks and equities that have the Santa Claus rally and stuff. So you have that to contend with also. So maybe a downward move is kind of expected for gold until after the first of the year, or close to that, where people jockey their positions around substantially. So it kind of is what it is. Again, like I wish more stuff lined up, and I'd be like more gung ho about it. It's still yet from where it's at right now and where it was on Friday, and like all that dip it had. If it dipped to here, then that'd be in my personal opinion, that'd be kind of typical. But it shouldn't happen this evening. It shouldn't happen like at 12 o'clock. It'll probably happen closer to 7 o'clock in the morning, in my personal opinion, if it did want to keep on dipping down. Alright, I'm going to do my annual thing of watching It's a Wonderful Life and, reflect on my life and how kind of similar it is to that movie. It's a good one. If you've never watched it, it's definitely worth a watch, especially this time of year. Makes you appreciate all the things you do have and the choices that you've made and the gung-ho attitude that the human spirit can have. All right. Hope you're happy, healthy, well. Goodbye.